Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use pancakeswap with Trust Wallet. So first of all you have to open your Trust Wallet application, log into your wallet, and once you will do it you will see this type of the front end and how you can use it with the pancakeswap. Simply you have to click on the apps dapps, and once you will do it, after that you have to search for the pancakeswap.finance. Make sure you are using the correct link. Too much phishing links are available in the market, so simply you have to click on the pancakeswap, and once you will search for it, simply connect it from here. Once you will do it, now you are in your pancakeswap, and make sure you are using the correct link. Select smart chain from here, and once you will do it, you can easily swap your currencies or staking whatever you want to NFTs win. So this is the way to use pancakeswap with the Trust Wallet. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.